Hello people, welcome to my channel Physio Guide by Divya. So today I'm going to teach detailed about heart pack. Heart pack definition, procedure, indication, contraindications, effects, advantages, disadvantages. So watch this video till end so that you'll understand this topic clearly. I have explained this to every topic from the textbook only. So before reading textbook, you see this video and go read textbook. You'll understand clearly. Hot packs are the packs which are immersed in a apparatus called hydrocollator. So this is the hot pack apparatus, hydrocollator. In this, hot packs are arranged in a systematic way. See, this big one, medium and small sizes for short limbs, hands, legs, short tissues, okay, body parts. Hot packs are the packs which are immersed in apparatus called hydrocollator. They provide superficial moist heat to the part where applied externally to an injured body part to relieve inflammation or any inflammation, or it's directly on exposed area that needs treatment. Okay, procedure, we'll see how to apply this hot pack. They're stored in a thermostatically controlled water bath inside the equipment. So these are stored in a equipment as shown. They contain the substance which absorbs silica like substance. It is present inside this. The treatment inside the hydrocollator ranges between 65 to 80 degrees centigrade temperature. So temperature inside the hydrocollator ranges between 65 to 80 degrees centigrade. In this equipment, the temperature which is maintained between 65 to 80. Normal body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. So in this apparatus, it is increased to 65 to 80 degrees. So what is the aim of hydrocollator pack is to raise the body temperature, that part to be treated, up to 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. Hydrocollator pack are available in various sizes and shapes. It is chosen on the basis of area treated. So I have shown you, this is a big size, medium size, and this is the two small sizes. Packs are taken out of the apparatus by means of tongs or wrapped inside a towel. 6 to 8 layers of towel is made around pack. So this pack is there, no, these are removed with side tongs is given for us, or which is taken out by a towel, wrapped by a towel, 6 to 8 layers. Based on the heat adjusted, we have to apply to the patients. Total treatment time is 8 to 10 minutes. We can apply this hot pack. For whom we should apply this hot packs means indications, means pain, for patients who complain pain, muscle spasm, bursitis, inflammation of bursa, inflammatory conditions, adhesions. Okay, we'll apply this hot pack. Contraindications, for whom we should not apply at all. Impaired skin sensation, who lack the sensation. Before applying this hot pack, we have to take the detailed assessment of skin sensation, and we have to apply this pack. If we have to test the sensation of the skin, and if the patient feels no sensation, we have not allow this hot pack to be given. And open wounds, recent hemorrhages, skin allergy, impaired circulation to the body part, we will not allow this hot pack to be given for those patients. Effects and uses. By applying this hot packs, what are the effects and uses to the patient? Moist heat provided by the hydrocollator pack is beneficial for relieving the muscle spasm. To relieve the muscle spasm, any muscle related problems, to relieve this problem, we'll apply this. For local rise in temperature at that area, there will be rise in the temperature, circulation will be increased, relieve spasm, thus relieve pain. So if there will increase blood circulation, there will be no pain only. Heat transferred by conduction from hot pack to skin, means from that hot pack, from that object to direct contact of the skin, that process is called conduction. Increase of local circulation, that circulation will be increased, provide fresh supply of blood and nutrition to the part, and reduce waste products of metabolism from area. Skin and connected tissue, skin becomes supple and elastic, and connected tissue is also increased when combined with stretching. Relief of pain relief plus applying of this hot pack due to decrease in nerve conduction velocity, may be due to sedative. Pain relief may be associated with relief of muscle spasm and increase in joint range of motion. So what are the advantages of applying this? What are the advantages of this machine? It is easy to apply, available in various sizes and shapes, so that we can apply to any body part, and comfortable. It's comfortable and available readily available at home purpose also. We can use this at home also. Short usage of clinician time, use of the clinic therapist also, we can apply it easily in home. Disadvantages. What are the disadvantages by this equipment? Means it is very big. Equipment is big and require more space. So much of the water is required and tendency to cause skin rashes. So these are the topics. This is the heart pack. So I hope you understood this topic. And take a screenshot. Thank you for watching my video.